How to enable cookies in your browser on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn on cookies in Chrome to make sure websites load and function properly. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings to open the Chrome settings page. At this point, scroll down through the settings until you find Site Settings and tap on it. In the next step, tap on Cookies to open the cookie settings. Following this, you'll see a few options. Make sure to select Allow Cookies to enable them across all websites. Once done, go back to any website you were having trouble with and reload the page. It should now load and function properly with cookies enabled. Finally, keep in mind that if you only want to block cookies from third-party sites, you can select Block Third-Party Cookies instead, which gives you a bit more privacy while still keeping most sites working normally. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable cookies in Chrome on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.